30?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Okay. Sam, fight back, Sam. I want Sam to fight out. This battle is yours, Sam. You must fight. Stay with me right now. Sam? Okay. I'm going to have you say a couple of prayers. Fight to stay with me. See, I go to the root of this. I know you are, man, but come on.
I'm just tired.
Okay, come on.
Nobody understands. I'm just tired.
I gotta push you right through it, okay? I have to be aggressive. I gotta force issues here. See, I go to the root
I go to the root
of this curse.
of this curse.
If it was my great-great-grandfather, Sam.
Go!
Sam, say if it was my great-great-grandfather,
it was my great-great-father.
I am free from this.
I am free from.
I confess that now.
Confess that now.
Curse is broken.
The curse is broken.
Say the curses are broken.
The curses.
Yeah, you kid. You're coming. You can't get Iki.
Okay, great-great-grandpa. You want to talk? Get up and talk to me. I'm going to give you a choice. Repent and turn from your witchcraft and be forgiven and have the peace of God, or to go to God's judgment. In either way, you're going to leave Sam. And for starters, by the sword of the Spirit, whatever your name is, great-great-grandpa, I cut you off from your demons. I cut them off. And I reserve them to judgment. And by the sword of the Spirit, I cut you off from the blood of your daughter. And all the other blood sacrifices, I cut you off from all of them.
Oh, good. Listen.
Do you want the peace of God? Yes, sir.
We can kill. He is mine.
He belongs to Christ. He is not yours.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you alone.
He is mine. I'm working here for a long time. I will take all of his family.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. You don't have the power.
They're all mine.
I just cut you off.
Shut up.
I just cut you off from your demons. Do you want the peace of God?
No, don't you put that on me. Don't you put that on me.
Grandpa? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, by the sign of the cross, I speak the peace of Christ over your mind. I speak the peace of Christ over your mind.
Okay, I'll go. I'll be back for you, Bob.
You won't come back for me. You can't touch me. All right, having rejected the peace of Christ, I command by Christ that the soul part go. Sam, where are you? Don't worry about where you are. I want Sam. We have to hold you, Sam. By thy soul and spirit, I call up the spirits of witchcraft and voodoo. I call up Python.
How you know?
Get up, Python. Get up! Get up, Python! Grandpa the witch doctor's not there anymore, Python.
Shut up.
Just you. You have no authority because Sam belongs to Christ. I take a threefold course of Ecclesiastes 4:12. I bind the kingdom of Python together as one. Say, I Python! Bind myself! To all my kingdom! Say, I have no more right.
I need help.
Say, I have no more right.
Where are you guys?
You're not good. Well, they're not coming. They're gone. Say, I have no more right. Say, I have no more right.
There's no more right.
To this man. To this man. Say it. To this man.
I will kill them.
To this man. Say, to this man.
To this man.
Or his destiny.
Why won't you leave me?
Or his destiny.
Or his destiny.
With all my kind.
Oh my God.
We receive. We receive.
We receive
The judgment of God.
the judgment of God.
All right. With the sword of the Spirit, I pierce. Power of Christ. Say, I python. Say, I python. Say it. I python. Say it. With all my kingdom. Go. Now. Two. The. Say the. Say the. Say the. Say the. Pit. Say pit. Say pit. Say pit. Say pit. Say pit. Say pit. All right, tell the sin word about. Come on. Who did this for you?
Jesus Christ.
Who's got the power?
Jesus.
This time it was different because you were specific on what you was trying to, cast out. It just did not want to hear it anymore. And it knew that today you were going to call it out. I saw the demon leaving and going into hell, squirming and screaming and burning, and my body was burning. It's time for the people to know that God is real, and so that I can go and start casting out these devils out of people so they can stop hurting people like they've been hurting me.
The International School of Exorcism, an online Bible college of spiritual warfare. The history of exorcism, healing, deliverance, and spiritual warfare. The practical aspects of breaking curses, pulling down spiritual strongholds, and removing the legal rights of Satan. Set yourself, your friends, and family free by enrolling in the International School of Exorcism. In our new book, Set Your Family Free, we teach how to raise children with purity principles, how to prepare them for adulthood, and how to break every assignment of Satan over their lives.
We give you the principles of spiritual warfare to fight for your family and to be victorious over the powers of darkness.
This is the book that will set your family free. How do you know if your problems are the result of bad life choices or demons? My 200-page book, Dealing with Demons, has answers for questions most are afraid to ask. Can Christians be demon-possessed? How can I know what's natural and what's supernatural? Dealing with Demons will teach you how to recognize symptoms that the devil is at work in your life. Be one step closer to living in spiritual victory. The most frequent demon that I deal with is the spirit of Jezebel. This demon wants to destroy your health, your finances, your marriage, your family, and your church. My book, Jezebel, is your key to overcoming the most prevalent evil spirit of our age. Get your copy today.
He took the curses away from me. Was he Bob Larson? Because he can help you.
If your life isn't all that it should be, if relationships aren't working, if your health, your finances, or your spiritual life are unhappy, schedule a personal one-on-one encounter with me. We'll get to the root of the issues that are holding you back. We'll give you answers and a whole new direction in life.
Oh, what a change, what a difference when you have an encounter with God.
Take action. I look forward to seeing you soon.
We encourage your support for this worldwide outreach to do what Jesus did. For the latest information on resources, seminars, conferences, training institutes, retreats, and international missions, go to boblarson.org. Thank you for your prayers and financial partnership.